approaching. Estimated time to firing range, 15 minutes.
Mucho crazy.
3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour.
Come on.
It knocks me. I look up, and it's Crazy Joe Davola.
Hey! No touching allowed!
With the blast shield down, I can't even see. How am I supposed to fight?
Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them.
Hello, the head of birds fill the sky.
Hop inside my mouth if you want to live.
Aboard!
That makes 3 times.
Knock 3 times.
Just listen to those lovebirds.
Get my stuff! Yeah, get down!
Mitch.
Weird.
An animal! Cold-blooded! Crank the AC!
Penguin? I mean, killing sleeping sugar. Isn't that a little,
No! It's a lie!
Into the deepest hell.
Boy, them city folks is show in for a surprise.
Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits.
Water, it came on a drizzly gray. Mistletoe
Flap, flap, flap. The same old flap. We go north in the spring, we go south in the fall.
Quality, willity, wallity, now, now, now. She.
What is the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow?
What do you mean? An African or European swallow?
Oculus Reparo. That's better, isn't it?
It's just a bug. But we're safe in here. See? We're fine.
Take it easy, lady. There isn't a bird anywhere in sight. Look at the birds of the air.
I hardly think a few birds are going to bring about the end of the world.
These weren't a few birds.
Oh, hi. Boy, am I glad to see you because no one seems to be paying any attention to me today.
Are you trying to say that all these... That sounds impossible. So...
What do you think they were after, Miss...
Daniels. I think they were after the children.
For what purpose?
They're eating children!
Doesn't it seem odd that they'd wait all that time to start a war against humanity?
Well, hope you folks figure this thing out.
It's the end of the world.
A large flock of seagulls got lost in the fog and headed into the town.
And they made some mess, too, smashing into buildings and everything.
I don't want to be an alarmist about
no one
this,
ever said you were.
I think we're in real trouble.
Huh?
I don't know how this started or why, but I know it's here and we'd be crazy to ignore it.
And I come at him with a crowbar. You spread the bear trap. Then I'll pull the pin out of a hand grenade. You pin him down with mortar fire.
To ignore what? The bird war?
Yes, the bird war, the bird attack. Call it what you like. They're massing out there someplace and they'll be back. You can count on it.
Ridiculous.
The army uses them.
Look!
I got it. I got it. He got it.
You're a lifesaver.
They'll never think of looking in here.
Right. There's no place safer in the world to hide than a phone booth.
These guys are serious. You can't miss me. I'm a little black woman in a big silver box.
I think it's out of order.
They'll get me.
I told you.
They said when you got here the whole thing started. Who are you? What are you?
Okay, so what's it gonna be?
I am McLovin.
I think you're the cause of all this. I think you're evil! Evil!
Fräulein, were you this much trouble at the Abbey?
Oh, much more, sir.
Harold is swinging away.
What kind of person are you? Are you the kind that sees signs, sees miracles? Or do you believe that people just get lucky? Meryl, swing away.
Mine.
What a terrible waste of money.
Here's Johnny.
Lucy, I'm home. Houston, we have a problem. It's showtime.
Good God, what an entrance!
Mariska,
Kill the stranger.
love to.
Cracked you on the head.
And?
Slammed you across the room. Half the time you were on your back.
That's how I fight.
Did you hear anything on the radio?
It's all right.
There are one of two outcomes of an invasion. One, they fight and are defeated and have to return again with full forces.
What's two?
They win.
This never happened to the other fella.
Been harmed anyone?
Oh, all right, Megan.
Oh, thank goodness. It's all right, son. It's gonna be okay.
You better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
All those feathers and he still can't fly.
Did you ever see an elephant fly?
Well, I seen a horse fly.
I seen a dragon fly.
Can you swim?
Guess who?